Right. Let's see if I can remember how all this works. Hello? It's been 934 days or almost 2.5 years since my last YouTube video, but I'm back. And today marks the return of the Math Market channel, but not as you know it. That's right, I'm back after hopelessly jacking it all in and putting it all behind me. I recently felt an overwhelming duty to my loyal viewers that I'd so callously abandoned. But now I've returned, and this time I won't be going anywhere. Okay, you can put the gun down now. I quit trading and I quit making YouTube videos nearly 2.5 years ago. I'd been really successful, tripling my account, but then I lost it all due to my own stupidity and greed. And after this loss, I just couldn't continue trading. Even if I wanted to, it just wasn't financially viable for me. And the thought of trading again was just far too traumatic. So I quit. I stopped making YouTube videos and just got on with my life. But I never forgot about my loyal subscribers. And I recently realized that you're all still there. Some of you posting comments, wondering where I was and when I'd be back. So I decided to dust off the old cobwebs and return to YouTube. Not as a trader, to show you how I trade, because I don't do that anymore, but to share all the news and investor information from the past week. Just because I don't trade anymore doesn't mean that I don't know what's going on in the market. I learned so much during my trading years that I still have some value to pass on to you, dear viewer. So starting this week, my new venture begins. I'll be posting a weekly roundup of what's been happening in the stock market to help you with your own research and to help you be a better trader. I think it'll be a lot of fun and I hope it'll be helpful and enjoyable to watch. And the first video is coming tomorrow, so see you there.